Bulsor Philippines, Ismael Fajardo.
Liga Argentina, Mías, el Pitbull, Reyes.
Hit by left hand, trading here, which could be a problem. Good body movement from him. He shifts another left hand, big left hand again. There he touches. Down with the glove. It was a knockdown. The referee didn't give it a second. Shot. Oh, beautiful left hand there.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan.
Isang malaking laban ang mapapanood ng mga Pinoy fans dahil isang mandirigma mula Mindanao sa sasabak sa malaking entablado na babago sa kanyang kapalaran. Siya halimaw na si Miel Fajardo, ang tinaguriang silent assassin. Hindi siya maingay, walang yabang. Pero sa bawat suntok, may kasamang babala. May record na 13 panalo, 11 rito ay knockout. At napatunayan na niya ang kanyang lakas ng talunin niya si Esnet Domingo para maging IBF Pan Pacific Champion. Pero para kay Fajardo, simula pa lang yon. Ngayong April 11, 2026, haharap siya sa pinakamabigat na laban ng kanyang karera. Isang IBF title eliminator. Isang panalo na lang, world title na ang kasunod. Sa kabilang sulok, isang mapanganib na knockout artist mula Argentina, si Tobias Jeremias Reyes. 18 panalo, isang talo, 16 na knockout. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya basta sumusuntok. Nagtatapos siya ng laban, agresibo, dire-diretso. Walang inuurungan, isang tunay na banta sa loob ng ring. Pero bago ang laban na ito, balikan natin ang isang gabi na nagpatunay kung sino si Fajardo. Sa banyagang lupa, hinarap niya ang isa sa pinaka-inaasahang prospect ng Argentina. Ang undefeated fighter, si Agustin Mauro Gauto. Isang alaga ng top rank ni Baba Rom at hinasa ng 2-division world champion na si Marcos Maidana. Sa papel, dehado ang Pilipino. Sa mata ng karamihan, wala siyang panalo. Pero sa loob ng ring, nag-iba ang istorya.
Down with the glove. It was a knockdown. The referee didn't give it a second. Shot. Oh, beautiful left hand there.
Nice jab to the head. Took it, did as well with the second attack.
I think he might feel he's hurt him with one of those body shots because he's really getting on it here, Fajardo. Something registered there, definitely into fight.
Shot with the little bit of hand there, left uppercut, left hook.
A knock of the head there from Gauto. They both land at the same time. He's having a good opening round here for the Pino fighter. This is already turning into a good fight. Right hand there from Gauto.
There from Gauto, he's under his hand, took a good body shot himself.
At bago matapos ang round 1,
Sa unang round, isang malinis na kaliwa ang tumama. Bumagsak ang kalaban, tumayo man, halata ang epekto ng suntok.
And has put him down hard onto his back there, Gauto. Will it be enough as we look at the replay?
Hindi nagatubili si Fajardo. Sumunod ang mga atake. Mabilis, mabigat, eksakto. Muli niyang pinabagsak ang kalaban. Sa ikalawang round, sinubukang bumawi ni Gauto. Pero kalmado si Fajardo. Hinintay ang tamang tiyempo.
He's quiet, but down to his knees. The gloves touched down as well. But Fajardo just got to get on top of it. The body movement from him. He shifts another left hand. As he touches down with the glove, it was a knockdown. The referee didn't give it a second. Lifts him onto his back, and he's just so fragile in there at the minute. That's the problem. He's letting his own hands go. He's showing a ton of bravery and heart. Every time he gets hit clean, he's going to go down, and he's going to get hit clean because he's wide open at times.
What's the referee doing?
The referee's given him extra time there. He missed the knockdown. There was a touchdown with the glove which he missed. And then he was put down. Fajardo just looking for that left hook. Every single time he can throw it, he is throwing it. Dipping low at the waist there. Touches down with the glove again. And that's another, to see it. That's another knockdown.
There's been about 4 knockdowns in this one. It's tremendous action, it really is.
It is, it's superb. 1 minute 40 remaining in round 2. Another big left hand, and he's taken those two somehow. He's thrown back himself. He goes down to his knees, more in exhaustion than anything else. But the referee does count him this
At muling
time.
pinakawalan ang kanyang lakas. Sunod-sunod na kaliwa, walang tigil, hanggang sa muli itong bumagsak. At doon na pinatigil ang laban. Technical knockout. Sa gabing iyon, natahimik ang arena at nagsilbi itong babala sa mag-champion sa division. At ngayon, ang tanong, kaya na ba ni Miel Fajardo na maging world champion? I-comment niyo ang inyong sagot, mga idol, at ilagay kung saan kayo nanonood para makita natin kung hanggang saan umaabot ang suporta ng mga Pilipino para kay Miel Fajardo sa laban niya kontra Tobias Reyes ngayong April 11, 2026 sa Argentina.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.